All right, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to open and import data into SPSS. So firstly, we have to navigate to SPSS. You might have it in your start menu like this, or you might need to navigate to it through where you'll find it under IBM SPSS. So once you click that to open, the program will start to load for a few moments. Okay, and now the program is open, we can open and import data into SPSS. So what we're going to do is we're going to open another file. So this will be opening a new data set, and we click open. From here, we'll have to navigate through our computer to find wherever the data file is. So you'll need to select the folder or directory that you'll need to go through to find the data. If you have a Macintosh computer, then this is going to look a little bit different for you, as you'll be using the Finder instead of Windows Explorer here. But once you get into the folder where the data is, what you'll see is you may see nothing, but the file type, as you'll see here, defaults to looking for SPSS statistics files, which have the file extension .sav. We're going to be loading what's called text data, which is a CSV file. So you select that and open it. Then it's going to take a few moments for the program to read that data file and generate a preview here. Then you have a few options. I always recommend selecting to trim off leading and trailing spaces because that can cause problems later on. Then once you click OK, it's going to convert that file into a version that SPSS can use. When SPSS does that, it opens two different windows. One is the data and variable window, and the other is the output window, which you'll see here on the left. Looking over to the data window, you'll see that there's two tabs. One is variable view. From variable view, this shows you a list of all the variables that are in the data set, and you can see things like type. And here you can actually change the format of a variable if you need to. Then we can scroll across here to look at other features of the variable. Here you can add a label if you would like. You can scroll over a little bit further and you'll see this field called measure, where you can select whether the variable is a nominal, scale, or a categorical variable. Switching back over here to data view, this shows you what the data looks like if you were to open it in something like Microsoft Excel or any other sort of spreadsheet program. By using the scroll bar that's on the bottom here, what you can do is you can scroll to the right and view values for all of the different variables that are in your data set. If you wanted, you could also use the scroll bar that's on the right to scroll up and down through the values of the data. Over on the left is how you'll actually navigate through most of the features and things that you'll use SPSS for. So there's this set of tabs that go across the top where you can find things like legacy dialogues to look at histograms, things for tables, and things like that, which we'll look at in the future.